Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually a recreation of one of my Instagram followers' looks. Her name is _KyraPrince. I'll put it down below in the description box. But I saw this look, I scrolled down my timeline, I saw it, I was like, okay, yeah, I gotta recreate that. So yeah, this is it. It's pretty much the same except for she added like glitter in the inner corner, y'all. I'm so over glitter. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this really colorful half cut crease, then make sure you keep watching. Also, y'all, recommend colors down below that y'all want me to try. Of course, I'm gonna prime with my other girl concealer, and this one is in medium beige. Yeah, so I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Did y'all see they came out with like a whole Take Me Back to Brazil collection? Like they have lashes, glitter, and a matching brush set. Anyway, on the E17 for Morphe, I'm gonna take this light purple and pack it in my crease. So using the M506, I'm gonna take the pink and blend out the edges of the purple. Y'all should know this by now, like y'all know how I do. I was gonna get Morphe's new palette, but I don't even use purple that often, so I was like, you know what, Kirsten, you don't need it, you don't need it. I'm gonna go back to my E17 and buff out the harsh line from the purple, because some reason purple for me does not always blend how I wish it would, but we can make it work. I want to take my large blending brush with no product in it, and I'm gonna blend out this pink. Now I'm using the dark purple on the same E17. So I am going to be cutting my crease with my Makeup Revolution foundation in F1. I will link the video on the screen as to why I use a foundation, but if you go back and watch that video, you will hear me say that I will go back to using concealer when this runs out. So I think I said that in the video, but yeah, I'll link it on the screen. I'm gonna grab the dark purple again to blend out the corner. So I'm gonna be taking two of my favorite packing brushes, and I'm gonna grab this baby blue or sky blue first and pack that down first, and then for the middle of my eyelid I'm gonna be taking this orange and packing that there. grab some more dark purple. So I'm going to go into the same dark purple again, but this time on an angled brush, and I'm going to trace my crease. And you don't have to do this, it's just what I do to like make sure my crease is like really crisp and it's bold enough. So yeah. I'm going to be using my Willet Beauty lashes. These are the lashes I use all the time. They're from Amazon. Very inexpensive. Y'all, when y'all come to my channel, listen, don't come over here expecting to see these $85 palettes and stuff with 10 colors in them. That's something I'll never understand. Like, that's just me. But I think that's why I love Morphe so much, because their palettes are like $25 and you get like, how many? Like 35, over 30 colors. But you get a lot of colors. But people out here really buying $75 palettes for 3 colors. Like, I was on Marc Jacobs the other day, and tell me why one brush was $75. I can't do it. Like, I can't fix myself to purchase stuff like that. But I don't care how rich I am, you will never catch me with a $75 brush. It better clean itself. But yeah, let me put on my lash right. Oh, let me do my mascara. So I used the Mega Length Wet n Wild mascara. So I already put the glue on here, but I used the Duo lash glue in clear. Y'all comment down below if y'all have been watching my channel since like before I hit 100 subscribers. I don't know if some of y'all are still here. I'll never forget the number like 32, because I remember I was stuck at 32. It really sucked. I was just stuck at 32 subscribers for forever. First of all, it's ugly. So let me line like the bottom half of my waterline, and then I'm going to take my M506 and go back into the pink. Let me take some of that off and then just go like that. Man, let me tell y'all something. If y'all gonna start a channel, go ahead and start it, because man, I swear y'all, like literally 2 years ago, oh my god, literally 2 years ago, and I still dropped it. 2 years ago, I remember saying that I didn't even know how to work with color, because now I don't know how to not work with color. So if it's something you really want to do, then go ahead and do it. Stop putting it off. But I ain't gonna lie though, like I talked about starting my channel like a year before I actually did it, and when I first did it, it was so awkward. I was just like, I'm talking to myself, and I had to get used to hearing myself talk, even though I hear myself talk all the time, but I had to get used to hearing it like on camera and actually looking at myself. Like, it was just, it's weird. So for your highlighter, you can take one of these shimmery shades down here, but I actually use a shimmery eyeshadow for my Princessa Azteca palette. I use this one right here. Even though it looks pink in the palette, it comes off as like this really white color. So that's what I use for my highlight. I also use my Almost Cosmetics glitter pigment in White Diamond. For my actual highlight, I am actually going to take the same pigment I just showed y'all. I mean the same eyeshadow I just showed you, but I'm going to spray my brush first. I told y'all in my last video that I was going to do the bonus entry that I did on my Snap a long time ago. It probably was like a month ago. Honestly, it was a minute ago. But a lot of y'all know the answer. You just don't know you know it. But by me saying that, you might be able to figure it out. So I told you guys on Snap a while ago that I went to Ulta and I got an item. And I told you which shade the item was. So if you can tell me the item, you don't have to go into detail like with the brand or anything. Just tell me what the item was and what color it was. And that's it. And if you think about like what new product have I been using, so yeah, that's the bonus entry question or whatever. Just make sure you comment the answer down below, y'all. With the last one though, with the last bonus entry, I noticed one girl, she got it right because she was the first one to get it right, and she like went into detail, like she typed the whole paragraph. But I feel like some of y'all came along and y'all copied, so I know for a fact she's gonna get one, and I thought about just giving it to everybody. then maybe giving her 2, because I know for a fact that she went and she found the answer. But I could have sworn she said she already remembered it, like she remembered it. So tell me why my camera app just forced closed. So I'm sorry if my light look different, it may not, but like I was saying, she was the first one that got it right. A lot of people started coming in and answer. I'm like, okay, I feel like y'all copied, but I really don't know. But I kind of know, but I still don't know for sure. So what I'll do is, I mean, usually after a day I don't count anybody else's answer, just because the point is to have on my post notifications. I mean, sometimes the notifications go out a little late. I usually don't accept answers the day after, just because then I'm gonna definitely feel like you copied. But what I have decided on doing was just still giving you guys the bonus entry. But yeah, you guys, make sure you leave the answer to this question down below. For the next one, like for up under this video, I'm only gonna pick the first 3 people because I think it's fair. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks. And if you have not entered my giveaway, make sure you go ahead and enter for a chance to win a James Charles palette. And I will see you guys in my next video.